Welcome back to TechRams. Today we're going to show you how to attach or remove the strap from the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. So all we have to do first is take off obviously the watch. We don't want to have it on our wrist. And once we have the watch off, you will see on the bottom there's two little buttons on the side, one here and one here. We have to press the button and pull the strap, and that removes the strap. Let's do it on the other side. Press the button, remove the strap. So now the watch has no strap. And to put it back on, basically we just have to press it, like push it in till we hear it click. This is obviously useful if you're changing the watch orientation from one hand to the other arm, if you're going from the right hand to a left hand, so you can have the button where you want. But I think the watch actually can't flip around, so make sure you check how that is done in a video, what I'll leave the link below. So yeah, that's how you remove the watch band on the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.